I'm gonna do that. Actually, hey guys, it's Signpost Kids.
And today we're making a gingerbread train kit.
Let's see what's inside.
Bubble wrap!
Oh, careful with these.
Careful. Alright, Jojo, you want to pick one out?
I think outside.
Frosted.
These are little stars. Oh,
These are mints.
these are dum-dum thingies.
These are rainbow balls. The piping bag. And more icing.
Yeah, watching, yay!
We're going to open all the packages and get started. So I'm going to open the gum things.
I'm opening these circle rainbow things.
And I'm putting the frosting in the piping bag.
Oh, the little one is skipping.
Okay.
That's okay.
I'm just putting the bag around the size of a cup so it's easier to put the icing in.
Don't skip the stars.
So let's see. This is red. Oh,
That's not very
no.
pretty.
Oh, dude, that's all. I got both of my candies done.
I got both of my candies done.
You want to start moving this to the bottom, Joe?
Sure.
Good. So do you want to hold the cup for me so it doesn't fall over?
I like pink stars. You just start moving.
Try and get it all to one end. Gosh, this is
Yikes.
I have the red one ready and Jojo's doing the white.
And I'm holding the cup for him. It's very hard to hold the cup.
Judy, tell us on camera what color the cup is.
What color is the cup?
Tell them what color the cup is.
Oh, what color of the cup is orange?
This frosting is white.
What it? I want to kiss some. No, don't lay it on fast.
There we go. I'm going to pass out the train cars. Katie gets the engine,
Thank you.
Emmy gets the middle car, and I get the caboose. Okay,
That
let's
sounds
start.
fun.
I'm going to start with one red bag. So I'm going to outline my tires. It's looking pretty good.
Let me get this back dirty, but I have a messy hand.
Oh, it's so cute. I'm going to do some rainbow marble looking things. I'm going to place them all around my tires. I'm using stars for the top of my train cart. I did my train cart with a white lining around the whole thing and rainbow stars. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It's blue. I love this color. It's my favorite.
Next.
Carlei, can I have a knife to spread it? Thank you. Okay. I'm making mine a galaxy. Oh, that sounds cool.
That sounds very cool.
Make it black with stars.
Cool.
May I have the knife when you're done? Yes.
This is purple, my favorite color. This is green. This is blue. This is yellow.
This is a lot of fun. I'm using orange right below my orange star and my orange gumdrop.
Gumdrop. This is very hard to spread this frosting and cookies. Carlei, can I please have a little help? This is very hard to spread. You may spread it for me.
So Katie needs my help spreading the red frosting.
Don't spread it on me. I'm doing that.
So what do you want, red?
I want this whole thing
The
red.
whole thing?
Yeah, except for those little things.
Okay.
I'm filling those up. So I need to twist up the white. Twisting, twist.
That looks so pretty. Twisty. I think I'm gonna use this red.
Whoa! I'm gonna do that.
Actually, can I try?
That tastes good.
Yeah. Look at that.
You may go now while I split my white frosty. And Carlei has some of this. It's just me.
My thing fell over. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna flip them.
Hey, we finished. Let's talk about trains.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
How about you?
Okay. My train is the middle cart. I did kind of a rainbow thing. Everything. It's red, there's the orange, and yellow, green, and purple.
Did you miss the blue?
There were no blue gumdrops.
We used to put a circle.
But I added in a blue stripe. See, there's the blue star with the blue dots
And
then the blue stripe. Let's count my gumdrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
no,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think Jojo should go next.
Okay, so I have 2 red gumdrops stacked on each other, 2 orange ones, 2 yellow ones, 2 green ones, 2 purple ones, and 1 more red one. And all of the colors are wrapped around with little marble, like there's green marbles, yellow marbles, red, orange, purple, and that's all.
No.
No, there's no bean. And then I put
Yes,
a lot.
there is.
Oh, yeah, but there's no blue gumdrop.
Yeah.
So I did a black outline, and then I did mints and little ball things around the whole thing.
Very cute. Now who is the last one to go?
I am. Okay, so I was starting to do a red background, red on the side. Hey, I should kind of do a rainbow one. So I did pink right there. I did 2 matching ones. And they have 1 gumdrop, 2 gumdrop, 3 gumdrops, and 4 gumdrop because I just want to put one there because I have every single thing on there. And I have white middles of these, a purple one, a green one, blue one, yellow.
Count them.
Let's count my stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars. 18, 20.
Well, it looks like you guys did a great job. That is a colorful choo-choo train, I'd say.
I love colorful.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What do you tell your audience?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, Signpost Kids. For more of our awesome videos, click here, 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 and here. Chugga, 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 choo choo.